Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. And we have a quick little what sold video for you today. Today's going to be a little bit shorter. We haven't had too many sales. Actually, the past few days, we've been kind of very light on the sales. I don't know. Are you guys experiencing the same thing? Let us know down in the comments. But we do have plans this evening, so we're recording a little bit earlier too. We got to go get the kids from school early. So we're going to start pulling what sold for us, and I'm going to turn it over to Kathy so she could start showing you guys.
Hey guys, yeah, let's just start pulling. So we're headed to see you today. Okay, don't mind our mess. I've been working on listing the shoes today, but I haven't put anything away yet.
It's been a busy day. Busy week.
I took a nap. Well, not. I guess it's not really a nap. I went right back to bed after our kids went to school. Is that a nap? I don't know.
I don't know.
Like second sleep or something.
I had a hard time getting to sleep last night, so.
Yeah, so.
Low on sleep lately.
Probably gonna be, normally we put our kids to bed around 8, but since we're doing, it's not a school night tomorrow, but we're taking them on a Santa Express train thing that I've been wanting to do for years, and now that they're old enough, so
yeah,
we'll probably be out late, so I just wanted to get some extra rest in today.
Right.
Alright, so the first thing I sold today is this Scotty vest. I've never sold this brand, but I feel like I've heard the name or someone mention it. I don't know who. I don't know. I just have a bunch of brand names in my brain. I don't really know much, but I knew enough to look it up when I found it.
Yeah.
And it was at Play-Doh, so they had it priced at $16, which sounds like a lot, but for some reason I was like, I'll look it up. It looks like they retail for $99, and since it was new, I figured I could at least get like half of that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I grabbed it and I listed it, I think, at $65 plus shipping, and then I sent an offer to a watcher of $54.95 plus ship, and they accepted. So it's only been listed a week or so. Really fast flip. Probably could have got more, but I'd rather have a really fast flip. I think I still profited like $30, like just over $30 on this, so
pretty good.
Worth it. That's just gonna ship out in a padded flat rate.
Yeah, and I think that's a good ballpark for us and our retail arbitrage. We don't expect to get 100% of retail for new with tag stuff.
Unless it's like something super special.
Yeah.
You can't find. Like, you can just go buy that on their site for $99 if you want.
Right.
But yeah, if it's something completely sold out or a color that people want, then you could get retail, but.
Yeah, absolutely.
Typical
Usually
stuff.
we shoot for 50-60% of retail. So, work that into your formula of how much you could source it for. If we, can't source it for what? I don't know, 10-20% of retail, then it's probably not worth our time.
Yeah, and to me, like, that was 16, but honestly, even if I could have got 40 plus ship, to me, that would be worth it.
Yeah.
Because it was a new tag item. It's like front, back tag, material tag, and 2 measurements and list. So it's like a 10 minutes of work for a $15, $20 profit. I think that's great. So.
Yeah, and if you have multiple quantities, it's even better because you're doing all that work for multiple items at one time.
Right, these are some Clark's espadrille wedges. I only paid $4.99 for these. I listed them at $40. Most Clark's sell around $30 or so plus shipping for me, but I thought these were nicer. People like wedges and espadrille type things, so thought I could get around $30, but I got an offer for $22. Since I only paid $5, I just accepted. We're out of summer right now. I don't really want to hold them for 6 more months or anything, so it's about a $12 profit. I was fine with that. And it was Posh, which I like to sell on because easy shipping, so we will throw those in a regional beat box. And hopefully someone enjoys them. All right, and the box BT. Of course, everything's gonna be over here today. Ugh. These are some Sunita blue clogs. I did pay $12.99 for these ones, but they sold for $50. That was an offer someone sent me, although I saw that they had previously got one of our Posher VA offers sent out, which was like $52 with discount shipping. So them offering me $50 was like the same because now they don't get the discount shipping. So was happy to accept that, and yeah, probably just do a regional B box for those as well. What's up? Really? Really?
So he just got out of his bed to lay in the...
Oh my gosh.
What you doing? You're so weird. You're such a weirdo.
And he hasn't came up here to hang out with me today. He's just been laying on his other bed downstairs even though normally he wants to be around one of us, but Chris was working in our son's room on the floor,
Yep.
and he was just sitting by himself in the living room, ignoring everybody.
Being a loner today. Oh, you got a big pillow.
Being a weirdo. Does this sound not scare you, Reese?
I don't think so.
It doesn't bother you, huh?
Last night when I was working in Connor's room, I was chipping out concrete, so I had a hammer on a metal chisel, and I had him in the room on his bed, and then when I started beating on it, he obviously left the room. So
See ya.
it's like, yeah, this noise is not good.
So I sold these Nike shoes. I do have $7.85 into them, and someone accepted the Poshmark VA offer, so $40 with discount shipping on those. I guess another regional beat box. Easy enough. I feel like medium flat would be a better size, but I don't know if I have any right now. So. All right, box N. A6. Little kid A6 wrestling shoes. I have $6.22 into these, and they sold for $20 plus shipping. So those sold in like a day of being listed. So really fast flip. Put them in shipping hip mailer. By the way, thank you all for, as soon as our video went live yesterday, I noticed a lot of people ordering the shipping hip.
Yeah.
We don't get notified who ordered or anything, but just that's, someone placed an order with our code. So thank you so much. That does help us out.
Yeah.
We get a very small kickback, but very small kickbacks times, I think 30 of you or more ordered last night. So
Yeah.
that adds up. And
you guys
helpful,
all blessed a small business aside from us. So that was awesome to see how thankful and grateful, the shipping hip owners are and all that. So that's very awesome to see. I love this community, how we can all help each other and all that great stuff. It's just amazing.
So thank you.
It's a big impact, and we appreciate all of that support, guys. He's back in his bed.
So weird.
He's like me. He's got restless leg syndrome. He just can't sit still.
So I never did get around to doing my haul video that I kept saying, we had stuff here for a haul, but at this point I've typed it all in. Some of it's there, some of it's there, some of it's getting washed. So probably don't have a haul, but this is something that would have been in the haul that I was going to show you guys. I just picked these up, I think, last weekend. Just some Carhartt women's flannel line jeans, so most people know Carhartt's a good brand. I've never sold the women's flannel before, flannel line, but I figured they'd do well, and they did. I paid $4 for them. They sold for $39 plus shipping on Mercari, so. Some sort of reminder. I have to set myself reminders or I forget everything in my life, but because I will literally just work all day if I don't have reminders to do other stuff. I actually like working, so what mailer do I want for those? Big mailer. All right, and last sale of today was actually another one of these guys. The osmosis stuff is still selling well. So what did I think we had 5 of the blacks at first, so we're down to.
Yeah, it seems like the black one is the popular one.
Yeah, this one retailed for $130, and then these ones I think retailed $80. I don't
even really know what they do.
So
There's some kind of skin treatment, right?
Yeah, the black one says growth factor serum, and this one says antioxidant repair serum. So I don't know what that means, but people
growth.
like.
I wonder if
them
that's hair
apparently.
growth then. Growth factor?
Yeah, I don't know.
Not sure, but it's an ointment or a serum, I guess is what they're calling it. Some kind of lotion.
So.
Yep.
This one's over $38 plus shipping, so that's I think the priciest one or the most that we've made on one so far. So
nice.
Yeah, 0 into 38 plus ship. I will take it.
Yeah, and Kathy got those basically free at the.
Yeah, because I didn't when I typed in my bins haul that day. I didn't count this as an item because I wasn't sure if I was gonna list them. So I put all the money I spent that day on the other items, and then these, it took me 6 months to even get them listed, but
Yeah.
once I listed them, they've, 4 or 5 have sold already.
Yeah, and we were kind of worried. We were worried because they're expired, and we don't want to get our store shut down or anything.
No.
And we haven't listed them on eBay just to be extra careful. I know eBay's a little bit more guarded on that kind of stuff. They'll kind of shut that stuff down, maybe get you in trouble a little bit. But we're selling them on Poshmark and Mercari.
The ones on Poshmark have all been delivered and rated 5 stars.
Yeah. So we list it with the expiration date, and it's fully known to the buyer that they're buying an expired good.
Yeah, but they're getting it.
But they're getting a killer deal. Yeah.
Or so of the
they're
price.
fully sealed. It's there's nothing wrong with it. It's just over expiration, so that the buyer's assuming that it's still good. If it's not, it's kind of like on them at that point, right? So anyway, we'll get the stuff all packed up. You gonna help us today, Reese Bear?
He's like, what? You really just woke me up for that?
Okay, you could still sleep. Someday we're gonna try to get him to sleep in that thing without the blanket on there. We'll see how he acts in a few days, but yeah, we'll get this stuff all packed up and then we'll be right back.
Want to sit here?
No?
Come on.
You can come on your bed?
Come here, Reese. Come here, baby. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come on. He's a good boy. Come on. Come on.
Good boy.
Come on.
Good boy. That's a big step.
Come here, Reese.
That's a brave step.
You want to look out the window? You want to look out? Look. Look. There's doggies out there. I don't know.
He's not ready.
It's weird.
He's at least touching it though.
very
Look, his legs are on it.
He's like, oh, I'm gonna get over it in that spot. You're too smart, buddy. Come here. You wanna sit with me? You wanna sit?
Good boy.
No. Well, we try. We'll keep trying.
Oh, maybe it
Bless
tickles
ya.
his nose.
Bless ya. He's a good boy.
Anyway, guys, besides our quirky, weird dog, got everything all packed up, ready to go. Did not have any more sales come in.
Nope. A lot. Most of our sales come in between like 4 p.m. and then like 10 p.m. I'd say. And
Yeah.
then we usually get 1 or 2 in the mornings. Then during the days are almost like none, maybe 1.
Yeah.
But
All right, guys. So, yeah, we got it all packed up. We're going to go pick up the kids. Reese is going downstairs. He's had enough of us. We're going to work him into getting on that bed because he's going to like it whether he likes it or not.
I want a bed with like this fabric on it. It seems so soft.
Yeah, it is a little bit early today. It's about 1:30. We're going to go pick up the boys from school early because we got to drive to Canyon City, which is like an hour and a half away. And then we're going to hitch a ride on the train, getting a train with Santa, and the boys are going to love it. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.